So we're in a Aston Martin Vantage where we've fitted a number of things, such as the latest target Blueye in the mirror here. I'll go back to that in a second. And we've also fitted the latest Genevo Pro 2 in here in this Aston Martin Vantage. As you can see just here, fits lovely just in this sort of centre area, so it's easily seen. These are the latest generation speed camera products that we do here at TTW Installations. We can also do the laser track flare, which can also integrate into this particular system as well, but just in this particular car. So we fitted the Genevo Pro 2M, which is the main GPS, radar and passive laser. There's a radar head that we've also, and laser head that we've fitted into the front grille. There'll be some more photos of that on our Instagram. And then we've obviously spent some time and fitted the target Blueye into the rear view mirror here. So we've got two buttons on the other side, underside here, which then you can select which particular detection zone that you want. Typically we probably leave it on the 3 there, and then that will obviously give you information as and when you're getting close to any emergency service vehicles for that. So the both two combine really well in terms of obviously detection for emergency service vehicles, and then obviously with the Genevo Pro 2 here, this gives all sort of static mobile cameras and the new radar red flex detection that tend to be on the motorway cameras, 70 mile an hour. And as I said, you can also integrate the laser track flare into here, so if you do get targeted by mobile sites, then this will come through the actual display as well. We've got various other videos on our YouTube channel that go into a bit more detail in terms of what this product does, but I just thought I'd just show you what we've been up to here at TTW in this 2019 Aston Martin Vantage.